Hey guys, today we will be learning how to make this cat eye light art. I will be using Midjourney AI and the Procreate app to create the art, but I will link all the files for this exact design in the description box below. All the supplies I used to create this piece will also be linked below. Okay, let's get started. First, let's head over to Midjourney and type /imagine. Now type the following prompt, which I will leave in the description box below. Hit enter and wait for the images to generate. You may have to do this a few times to get an image you like. Now, you will want to upscale the image you want. In my case, I will click U1. When this has upscaled, click on the image to make it larger. Now right-click and save the image, ready to use in Procreate. Now head over to Procreate and create a new canvas. The size will depend on your frame size, but for the frame I am using today, I will make an 18 by 18 centimeter canvas. You will now want to import the image and adjust this to fit the size of the canvas. Select layers and lower the opacity to about 50%. Create a new layer. Go to brushes and under calligraphy, you will find the monoline brush. Now I like to create a more streamlined version of this to create smoother lines. Don't worry, I will show you how to do this. Swipe the brush to the left and select duplicate. Click on the brush you just copied, go to stabilization, and bring the streamline amount to 90% and the stabilization amount to 50% and click done. Now, making sure you are on the top layer, begin tracing the outlines of the image, adjusting the thickness of your brush where needed. Now all the line work is done. You will want to draw a black outline around the edges. Draw a black line across each side, making sure to hold your pencil on the screen at the end of the line to create a straight line around each side. You will want to export the line art image as a PNG, but first remember to hide the image reference layer below. Create a new layer and lower the opacity of the line artwork and draw around the parts of the image you want the light to shine through. In this case, the eyes, and fill the rest in with solid black. Hide all layers except the black one you just made and export this as a PNG as well. Okay, great. Now we have both the line art image and shadow image saved. You will want to print these both out, ready to put into out frame. When printing, remember to resize the images to their original size so they will fit the frame properly. Also print 2 copies of the shadow layer if you're using thinner printer paper to get the best effect. Once printed, trim all the pieces to size using the box we created around the image. Now open up the frame and place these both into the frame. Attach the light strip to the backboard of the frame. I then drilled a hole to feed the cable through. Now close it up, turn the light on, and see your final results, which I think turned out great. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for another illuminated artist video.